Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Dr. Seuss's ABC, an amazing alphabet book by Dr. Seuss. Let's get into the video. Today I'll be reading Dr. Seuss's ABC. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little b, what begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling, C. Big D, little d, what begins with D? Donuts and a duck dog, D. Big E, little e, what begins with E? Ear, egg, elephant, E. Big F, little f, what begins with F? 4 fluffy feathers on a feff. Big G, little g, what begins with G? Goat and goo goggles, G. Big H, little h, what begins with H? Hungry horse, hen and hat, H. Big I, little I, what begins with I? Itchy, Ichabod, I. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar, J. Big K, little k, what begins with K? Kangaroo and kite, K. Big L, little l, what begins with L? Lion with the lollipop, L. Big M, little m, what begins with M? Mice in the moonlight, M. Big N, little n, what begins with N? 9 new neckties, nightshirt, nose. Big O, little o, what begins with O? Ostrich, owl, oil, owl. Oh. Big P, little b, what begins with P? Painting some pajamas pink, P. Big Q, little q, what begins with Q? The quick queen of Quincy and her quack and quackaroo. Big R, little r, what begins with R? Rosie's red rhinoceros, R. Big S, little s, what begins with S? Sammy sipping soda pop, S. Big T, little t, what begins with T? The tired turtles on a tuttle tree. Big U, little u, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear, too. Big V, little v, what begins with V? Vera Violet Van and her violet violin. Big W, little w, what begins with W? Willie's in the wash tub, washing Waldo Woo. Big X, little x, what begins with X? X-ray and xylophone, X. Big Y, little y, what begins with Y? A yawning yellow yak with Yolanda on his back. Big Z, little z, what begins with Z? A zizzer zazzer does, as you can plainly see. I hope you guys enjoyed Dr. Seuss's ABC, and I'll see you next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.